It's all about family. When you inherit a family farm, you have to look after the land. The milk is of the highest quality that I can aspire to producing.
I always say farming is a vocation. It's like getting called to the priesthood or something, you get called to be a farmer.
When you're able to go into work in the morning and work with someone that you enjoy working with, makes life a lot easier.
Everybody needs to be happy in any relationship, whether it's business or family. The happier everybody is, from the manager to the owner to the cows, they perform better.
Farm and family isn't it everything? That's why we're working. The family cannot get involved in the farm, you know.
I met Loris in 1996. We got married 10 years later. You get to know each other so well. She'll see you when you're at your best and your worst, which is probably a good thing.
The car accident back in 1991, farming in the way I was used to farming wasn't going to be an option for me. I met Bernie when I was in Dunleary Hospital. She was nursing in the hospital at the time, and we fell in love. We're together now over 20 years. For every cloud there's a silver lining.
The farm has been in the family since 1880. It's great to have someone with the same interests as yourselves. We love going on holidays and that, but we also love coming home. It's not really a job, it's something we love doing. I wouldn't change a thing.
It's not every job that you can take your family to work with. Time out in the fields, enjoying with them. I'd say that's probably the best thing about it.